So let's check out the index right here. We're going to be having a small introduction on what's aspendiasis, what's used for, and why do we need to use simulations in chemical processes. Then we will present our chemical process, which is essentially the plant we saw previously in the landing page. Then we will set up all the data required to start the simulation. The first one is the property environment. We will see what's an environment, what's for, and what do we need to fill in order to start our simulation. Then we explain a little bit on the flow sheet, what it is, how to modify it, add, delete material, unit operations, streams, etc. And finally we start setting up our simulation, which is in the simulation environment. Now we will be adding the specific streams with the input and the unit operations present, the required information in order to have a connect stream and unit operation system. Once we have it, we run it and we will get the results. So it's very important to know where to get the results and how to display them properly, and eventually make an analysis. We're going to do a small analysis on how we can improve the chemical plant. Finally, we make a conclusion on all the course right here.